favorite engineer. Unless he honks for me, he will. He will. Hey. He honked at me. he just... Sorry guys, I'm walking, so like getting up here. So I got something to say. Time for 6. Look at me. I'm some shoes. He waved the peace sign. Son of 59. Pretty much it. Hope you liked it.